Hello fellow doll lovers, Barbination here. Welcome back to my channel. Hello everyone, thanks again for tuning into another video with me today. My name is Arjen, aka Barbination, and what I do is I collect dolls, I play with dolls, I talk about dolls, and every now and then I give them a super cute makeover. So if you're into anything cute, sweet, and petite, definitely subscribe to my channel to get some lovely pastel glitters on your feed. Now let's show you guys a cute little thrift doll today. Here we go. So today I wanted to take you guys along a little thrift journey that I went on lately. I found this girl online and it is the Birthday Barbie European exclusive, and her box date says that she's from 1989. Yeah, and that is today what we call vintage. I know a lot of people think that only the 60s and 70s Barbies are really vintage, but I think there's actually a scientific term for vintage when something is over an X amount of years.
Wait, let me just Google that real quick.
So the term vintage is something that we use when something is over 25 years of age.
So that would definitely mean that this doll is vintage.
Like I said, it is the Birthday Barbie from 1989, and I believe it is one of the first Birthday Barbies actually, because they kind of started during that time to really release these big giant pink poofy gowns in this birthday theme. Anyway, I found her online, didn't hesitate for a minute, and snatched that girl real quick because she is really hard to find actually, even when you're in Europe. So she was in a very pre-loved state, of course, so I really had to give her some
TLC
to give her her newfound Barbie glory in my collection. So her box, like I said, super pink, super cute, and it says happy birthday in a bunch of different European languages, and it just gives you straight up all the 90s feels of a super pink Barbie birthday. So yeah, I think that's what really draws me towards these birthday dolls, is just their nostalgic, super big hair, big pink dress vibes. Her hair. Now that was pretty much a very brushed out, dry bird's nest cotton candy ball of hair, and usually that is the case with the 90s Barbies, especially when they had that big Kanekalon hair. It just, when you brush that out a lot, it just turns, it only gets worse.
That's really the thing here.
You play with the dolls and you brush their hair, but actually the more you brush it dry, the more it turns into this super giant big bird's nest. So of course I had to give her some love and had to treat that hair a little bit, and I just wanted to take you guys along on the steps that I followed to come up with the beautiful end result, and I am so happy with this doll and to add her in my collection. She's so perfect. Without further ado, let's head on to the salon and let's just shine a new light and a probably second or third life in my pastel collection. this beautiful queen, and I am so happy with how she turned out. I just love this big giant blonde, big curly hair with the tinsel in it, and this big giant pink gown. It is so freaking 90s, and it takes me back to my birthdays as a kid straight away. So I am really happy that I've been able to find her, for one, and to give her this super adorable new fresh look. So I hope you guys learned a thing or two of this video, and it was just a quick, fun, you know, thrift doll makeover, and I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Have a lovely day, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah! So that's it for today, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and of course click the bell icon next to the subscribe button to get notified about any new videos that I upload. You can also follow me on Instagram. That's usually where I post all of my updates. And until the next video, mwah, big kisses from me, and I love you all.